Geometry Terms by Shereef. The first two slides were in the C Hall hallway. The rest were inside the 4E classroom. These are parallel lines. The lines that are circled in red are parallel. That means they can go on and on and on forever without intersecting or without touching. These are perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines normally intersect in some kind of way. These perpendicular lines are circled in blue. Thank you. Here are some acute angles. The acute angles I have are circled in cyan or black. As you can see, this snowman with the word law on it has three acute angles I found. Snow rules? Here is an obtuse angle. This obtuse angle is circled in this red color shade thingy. Obtuse angles are always greater than 90 degrees. Not less, not exact, but only greater. Right angles. There are a lot of right angles in this picture. As you can see, there's very many. All the right angles are circled in black. Right angles are angles that are exactly 90 degrees. No more, no less, and just, only 90 degrees. Thank you. Here's an acute triangle. An acute triangle has three acute angles on all three of the sides. So that means it's going to be it's an equilateral triangle. That means equilateral means everything is the same. So that means all the sides are the same on this triangle. This is a right triangle. A right triangle has one right angle and two acute angles. So that means it's going to be a very, very awkward looking triangle. But, it's a triangle. So it has three sides. Don't know how. This is an obtuse triangle. An obtuse triangle has one obtuse angle and two acute angles. So that makes it a little bit like the right triangle, except the right angle is an acute angle. Thank you for watching this triangle on triangles. About triangles and angles and stuff. And triangles. Don't forget the triangles. This is a cube, our first 3D shape that we have. A cube is like a bunch of squares put together, and Oh, and squares only have right angles. Those right angles are the 90-degree angles, like one of the ones that we talked about. So you should know. This is a sphere. A sphere is like a circle, just like 3D. It's a 3D circle. That it's like a ball, or the globe that I have in this picture, or even like a pumpkin, if you get off the stem part, aren't spheres. So probably you've seen a sphere before. This is a rectangular prism. A rectangular prism is four rectangles with two squares on the sides. As you can see in this picture, I have a block. Just like some blocks are rectangular prisms. And some people might not even notice that. But I noticed it, and I chose it to be a good example for rectangular prisms. To conclude our presentation, I have a cylinder. A cylinder is a 3D shape, has two circles on the tops, and it's just rounded in the middle. So it's like another 3D circle, but going up instead of around. As you can see in this picture, I have a spray bottle of freshness thing, but this soda cans are a cylinder. Some people might not even notice it, but chair legs are cylinder if they're circled. Paint cans are cylinders. If I just look around me, there's a lot of cylinders. So yeah, thank you for watching this presentation, and have a good time.